Hello everyone, we are with NVIDIA stock. As you can see, the chart is still going on. Did you like uh, our work in previous video? I will be very happy if you could state this in the comments. Now we will look at both the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. We will look at the in lower periods. It looks a little bit at the moment. It has regressed a little and maintained this. We said that each of them will be a correction movement of the rise and there could be a sales movements again. However, let's see how long these sales can last. We have an important moving average in the 110 region, then in the 113 region. Likewise, it has come to its closest moving average here. We have a moving average in the 115 region. We set to pay attention to them. Friends, the level it could try above were clear. These were the 122 levels. Well, if Balian needs to make such a gut move again, it should simply break the 125 price movement here. With this, I think there will be a movement towards its old peak. Anyway, the comments on this daily chart are like this, especially when we look at the 4-hour chart. It seems that it has already broken an important support downward. Of course, 4-hour has been no closing here, but our toes should be like this. There may be a pullback up to the 110 regions. It is useful to consider this as important. Today we have another expectation that Fed will go to the interest rate reduction process. However, such pullbacks may occur in the markets after the Fed interest rate reduction process. We will be with you again with our videos. I see 117 as the action point above. That was it for my video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to the channel.